Okay, good morning my dear student. Today day 19 part 1 and our topic is pair of linear equation in two variable. Today we discuss how we can solve a linear equation in two variable where the variable is in the denominator. Clear? Then this linear equation is solved by the reducible method. First you can reduce the given linear equation into, suppose here a upon x plus b upon y is equal to c and a2 upon x plus b2 upon y is equal to c2. It is the given. Clear? Here you know that the variable is not in the denominator. Clear? And if you can solve and take the LCM, then it is xy. You got the xy. Then it is impossible to solve this. Then first of all, you can consider it. It is written a1 1 upon x plus b1 1 upon y is equal to c1 and a2 1 upon x plus b2 1 upon y is equal to c2. Here this equation is written like that. Here then after you can consider c 1 upon x and 1 upon x. In both equation you seen 1 upon x and 1 upon y both are the same. Then first of all this equation is, first we can reduce this equation in pair of linear equation in two variable. It is also a pair of linear equation, but you can solve it directly. Then you have facing some problem like here c1 xy and c2 xy you got, and it is taking more time to solve this. Then first of all you can, if you seen this type of question, then you can write like this, and here you consider let 1 upon x is equal to a. You can consider capital A, B, C, M, and which you think. In your book, it is considered as a U and V. Clear? And 1 upon y is equal to B. Clear? Then it will be A1A plus B1y is equal to C1, and here A2A plus B2B is equal to C2. There. Now this is in the pair of linear equation in two variable, and from here you are free to solve by any method. Like if you solve this question by substitution method, cross multiplication method, and elimination method. Clear? If in the question it is not given, you can solve this equation by any particular method. Then you can solve the question which you feel easy. Clear? Which you have convenient to solve this. Clear? Then discuss with the question. Here 6x minus 1 plus 3y minus 2 is equal to 2 and 6, sorry, it is 5. It is 5 and it is 1. 6x minus 1 plus 3 y minus 2 is equal to 1. You have this pair of linear equation in two variable x and y. Here the x and y is in the denominator portion. Then first of all, you can reduce this equation in the standard form of the pair of linear equation in two variable. Here, then you see here x minus 1 and y minus 2, x minus 1, y minus 2, and it will be 1 upon. Then you can consider, let 1 upon x minus 1 is equal to u here, and 1 upon y minus 2 is equal to v. Then this will be written 5u plus 1 into 1v is equal to 2, this equation 3, and 6u plus 3v is equal to 1, it is equation 4. Thereafter you are free to solve by any method. Here, if we can equate the coefficient of v, because if you want to equate the coefficient of b, then equation 3 multiply by 3, clear? Then see, if we know all the method, then we know by which way we can solve and which method we apply, we take minimum time, clear? That's why if you can solve it substitution method, then you can already, this is see, here you can write substitution method. From equation 3, clear? What you can do in from equation 3? The equation 3 is 5u plus v is equal to 2. See, you can change or you can write in the form of which, then you check which is the which variable have the coefficient of 1. देखिए, आप सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड में आप इसको सॉल्व करना चाहते हो तो आप देखोगे, जैसे मान लीजिए आपके पास सभी मेथड पता है, सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड है, एलिमिनेशन मेथड है, एलिमिनेशन विद द इक्वेटिंग मेथड है, क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड है. यदि आपको क्वेश्चन में नहीं कहा जाता है कि किस मेथड से सॉल्व करिए, तो आप किसी भी मेथड से सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अब सब मेथड आप जान रहे हैं, कौन मेथड अप्लाई करेंगे, तो आप अपने दिमाग से यह सोचोगे कि इसमें हम कौन सा मेथड अप्लाई करें कि कम से कम समय में यह क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाए, और उस पर आपका कॉन्फिडेंट भी होना चाहिए कि इस मेथड में हम सॉल्व कर सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होगी. तो सबसे पहले देखिए क्या करेंगे. सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड में यदि आप अप्लाई करते हो तो आप इक्वेशन 3 लोगे. क्यों लोगे? क्यों हम सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड ही लेते हैं? क्योंकि देखिए, आप यहाँ v का कोफिशिएंट 1 है. यदि आप जो है इसको u के फॉर्म में लिखना चाहो, मतलब u को जो है 2 की तरफ ले जाओ, तो ज्यादा बेहतर है, क्योंकि यहां आपको डिवाइड नहीं करना पड़ेगा. देखिए, तो आप इसको लिख सकते हो v इज इक्वल टू 2 माइनस 5u. अब ये इक्वेशन जो लिखा गया है, दिस इक्वेशन राइट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ u. क्लियर? इट मीन्स here u is the independent variable and v is the dependent variable. Clear? Then this equation written in the form of u, मतलब यह इक्वेशन जो है u के फॉर्म में लिखा गया है, और u यहाँ जो है इंडिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है, मतलब आप यू आर फ्री टू पुट एनी वैल्यू ऑफ u and then you got the corresponding value of v. Clear? Then here is no need to divide. Clear? Suppose if you can write in the form of b, then this is 5u is equal to 2 minus v. Clear? And here u is equal to 2 minus v upon 5. Then you got 2-step more. Clear? So when you can solve this question, then we think which is more convenient. Clear? Now we can write this equation in the form of u. Now here from value of b put in equation 4. You know that if we can take substitute the value from equation 3, then we must put this value in equation 4, means next equation. Here, then here put v is equal to 2 minus 5u in equation 4. Here what हम इक्वेशन 3 लिए थे और वहां से जो है v की वैल्यू लिए और उस v को जो है आपको इक्वेशन 4 में लिखना है. जैसे मान लीजिए यदि आप इक्वेशन 2 में से 1 से लेते हैं तो उसको 2 में रखेंगे और 2 से लेते हैं तो 1 में रखेंगे. इसका ख्याल जरूर करेंगे, नहीं तो आपको डाउट होगा, क्वेश्चन में सॉल्व करने में थोड़ी दिक्कत होगी. और ये इसका रूल भी है. तो देखिए क्या करेंगे आप, अब v के जगह पे आप ये वैल्यू पुट कर देंगे. तो 6u प्लस 3 2 माइनस 5u इज इक्वल टू 1. ठीक है. अब 6u प्लस इंटू प्लस 3 2 जा 6 प्लस इंटू माइनस माइनस 3 5 जा 15. 15u is equal to 1. Now this 6 goes this side because, and you know that if the side are changed then their sign are changed. Then here this 6 goes that side, then here plus sign and here is minus sign, change into minus sign. And here u and u both are the like term but they have the different sign. Here is minus sign and here is plus sign. That's why they are subtract. Now it is minus 6 9u is equal to 1 minus 6. Then it is 9u minus 9 is equal to minus 5 here. Then here both sign are subtracted because both have the same sign. Now you have 9u is equal to 5. Then u is equal to 5 upon 9. Clear? Then after you can put this value in equation 3 or 4 because we got the value of v also. Then here this value put in equation 3. Now u is equal to 5 upon 9 put in equation 3. Then here 5 upon 9 plus v is equal to 2 here. Then here 5 5 is 25 upon 9 plus v is equal to 2. Clear? Then here v is equal to 2 minus 25 upon 9 because here is plus sign and it will be solved. Then it is 18 minus 25 upon 9. If you can subtract it then it will be 7 with negative sign because 25 has negative sign and it will be 9. Then you got v is equal to 7 upon 9. Clear? You can consider u is equal to 1 upon x minus 1. Then here you can write u is equal to 5 upon 9 and what you can consider u is equal to 1 upon x and it will be equal 1 upon x minus 1. Clear? Then after v is equal to minus 7 upon 9 and it will be 1 upon y minus 2. Clear? Everyone clear how we can solve? Then see